I'm Dr. Margaret Christensen. I'm by training a board-certified obstetrician gynecologist, and I've been practicing functional medicine now for about 10 years. I loved my training as an allopathic physician and being in medical school and just the stimulation of learning all those materials and the excitement of going from one emergency to another in the hospital and getting to use, sort of the critical thinking skills of taking care of very sick patients. But what I found when I left that hospital setting, that I was having a real hard time with about 75% of the day-to-day chronic issues that I was seeing in my office. And I just began asking myself, really, is the solution just another drug, another pill, another surgery? And I found and became disillusioned over time. The parts of medicine that I really loved, which was connecting with the patients, getting a good history, and learning more about who they were and getting to spend a little bit of time, that I didn't have any time for because I'd become beholden to the insurance industry, beholden to the pharmaceutical industry. And when I found functional medicine out of necessity, because I had gotten sick and could not get better with how I was trained, despite I was seeing the best of my colleagues, and my children were sick in the same way. And when I found this whole systems approach and the science behind it, lo and behold, watching people get so much better than just by giving them a drug. And then my practice grew exponentially because just word of mouth, folks were coming back and sending me other of their friends because they were getting better. And I got better, my family got better, and my patients got better. And that's one of the things that when you come to functional medicine, you're bringing the best of your scientific brain, but also with your heart, and also with really looking at the art of medicine, which is incorporated very much into our training. We're faced with such an epidemic of chronic diseases that the answer is not a pill. And the answer lies in collaboration together with our colleagues, with our patients, and with one another. And it's just absolutely amazing what that does to help bring life back to medicine, and joy and fun, and there's nothing better than coming to a functional medicine conference because you really get to hang out with some really intelligent, fabulous, wonderful people who have the joy back in medicine.